Good morning, Mighty Rattlers, from me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 2019. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on all the good choices you will make today. Please be seated. Today we have quite a few birthdays. Happy birthday to Demsy Areola Garcia, Catherine Hernandez, Alexander Resendez Martinez, and if it's your birthday today, you guys can come on in to my office and grab your special birthday gift. Have an amazing day and a happy, happy birthday. Today, we are focusing on Rattlers being responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Remember, we only have 3 days this week, so you really have to make sure you're focused and make the most out of all 3 days. And we're also focusing on Idea 26. Do not save seats in the lunchroom. Think to yourself, why is that important? Why would that be something that you should not do? And tomorrow, we'll continue talking about why we do not save seats in the lunchroom. Now, we have some announcements. Make sure that you always have your ID on from the moment you walk into the building. It should be hanging around your neck so that you are ready to go get breakfast. Also, today is Tuesday. That means you go to your second block for your academic block. Also, take time to look at your uniform. You should have your blue polo tucked in, your belt, your black or khaki pants, and an Idea jacket. If your shoes are not black, that's actually okay today because you guys were allowed to wear free shoes. Next, this week, our social emotional lesson is going to be around thinking before you speak and speaking with intention. Make sure that you're watching your words. Make sure you pay extra attention this week to thinking before you speak. Also, we did not have school yesterday. We have today and tomorrow to get ready for a bunch of tests on Thursday. And then Friday, our teachers, they have school, but you guys are off again. So make sure you're here the next couple of days, and I'll tell you why in a second. On Friday, we had 27 scholars out, which means we were at 95.99% attendance. That is not good. We did not even come close to our goal of 97.5. Make sure that your parents continue to bring you to school every single day so we can do more fun things like a petting zoo. And you guys are going to love the next couple attendance rewards we have coming up. And this Thursday, you only have to be here for 3 days because on Thursday we're going to pull the raffle for toys. Also, some other things. Today is free shoes Tuesday. Tomorrow is your regular uniform, but Thursday, if you come to school Tuesday and Wednesday, and you're here on Thursday, you can wear your favorite sports jersey. And then remember, do not come to school on Friday. Okay, now I know I talked to you guys about this last week, but if you're here all 3 days this week and all 5 days next week, you are entered in a raffle to win a brand new bicycle. You will see the bicycles in the hallway. So you can get really excited, picture yourself riding it, and then just all you have to do is make sure you're here every single day. For our vocabulary word of the day, the word is intend. To have a course of action as one's purpose or objective, a plan. A plan is a detailed purpose for doing or achieving something. She didn't intend on hurting his feelings when she said that, but she did not think before she spoke. Now, please say the Runberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today, I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today, I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today, I will not give up. Make it a terrific Tuesday. Remember, the choice is all yours. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes to call or dojo message parents of the students that are not in your homeroom. Thank you guys. Have an amazing day.